We're off to Grafham Water now.
Couple of nights.
Couple of nights, and then we're off home.
And then we've got some time at home trying to sort the roof out again.
Yeah.
And then we're off to Scotland, aren't we?
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
Okay.
Take exit 20 on the left toward Wellington. In half a mile, turn left onto High Street.
So we've ever come in this way to Grafham Water, have we?
Not since they built the new bit of road, no.
No.
Turn left onto High Street.
Okay. Well, left here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. We sometimes come out this way, don't we?
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Gafford Road.
Busy down here.
Turn left onto Gafford Road.
Grafham Water and Perry. They're still in Indian there, yep.
Never seems to be open though, does it much?
No.
Turn right onto Church Road.
Sign out there, isn't there?
In a quarter of a mile, arrive at Grafham Water on the right.
Always find a problem with the overhanging trees here.
No. And cars.
And cars, yeah.
In a quarter of a mile, arrive at Grafham Water on the right.
That's Camping and Caravanning Club CS, isn't it?
Yeah.
Arriving at Grafham Water on the right.
(102), 103.
103. Perfect timing. Row, row, row. Nearly there, pups. Why have they parked there?
I don't know. Had someone do that before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Right, I booked a hard standing with awning.
Not a service pitch.
No. You can ask them if they've got a service pitch.
Okay.
Yeah, we've upgraded ourselves to a service pitch, haven't we?
Yeah. It's a £10 extra for 2 nights.
Because you have done a lot of lugging of aqua rolls.
Yeah, that's right. I think I've done enough aqua rolling for a while.
There's a little food thing there.
Oh yeah. Little Dutch bites. Okay. Get ourselves in the mood for Holland and Belgium. I've got to be very careful not to knock their things down here. So there's this one here. just here.
Right, yeah.
And there are some more further round if you want to go a bit further round.
Yeah, we've gone further round before, haven't
Yeah,
we?
going to do that then. So what numbers are we looking for?
Looking for 54.
Yeah.
We're not looking for a black, are we?
No, we're looking for a red.
Yeah, so we're looking for...
So that one will do, right? Or the one at the end there.
Do this one here.
This one here.
They
Okay.
look a bit short, those ones.
Oh, that one is, isn't it?
Yeah. I think we did go on that one last time with the
Is it
Kon-Tiki
Adamo?
Sport.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to take the bike for a ride. I'm going to go around Grafham Water, I think. See how far we get anyway. This is 32.5 miles at the moment. Let's have a look at this pub. Maybe it's one for lunch. Because each one of those little ones must be 100 watts. Yeah, so they're installing solar panels here. So enough panels to generate electricity for 3,000 homes. And a bit of a bike shop as well. Good. Okay. So, yeah, absolutely loving the bike. Really enjoying it. Yeah, I think the great thing about an electric bike, if you're like me, you're not so fit, is that you can actually just turn down the power if you want a bit more exercise once you get more proficient at it. I mean, I've gone all the way around here on the sort of medium power. Definitely getting better. Losing weight helps as well, of course, and it's all good exercise. Just say you should park over to the right hand side when you come in here. Okay. Okay. All right, go on.
Thank you.
We're over there. Water points there. Come on in. Here's the dog walk. I've got a pedal up here, I'm just on one. Blimey. Got a duck pond thing here. Many ducks in there at the moment. There's the shower block. Cool. Didn't expect it to come up. Used to be a pool over there, it's a car park now. Dishwashing area, not laundry. Reception. Chemical waste there. Well, that's considerably better than it was before. I've got most of them up off. Any criticism if I've got of using DrySparkle on the bike is it's very difficult to get right into those nooks and crannies there. Possibly water might wash it away, but other than that, it's done a really good job. I am using the brush as well. So, I get that. I haven't bothered too much with the tyres because they're going to get mucky again anyway. But yeah, no, it's cleaned it up nicely. Yeah, so leaving Grafham Water, yeah, had a great time. We've been here so many times. I don't think don't know if I'll make a full video out of it, but I have filmed the toilets. So, what else do you need?
Well, you did cycle around Grafham Water,
And I did cycle around Grafham Water.
which we've never managed to do before.
We have. We've done it.
We haven't cycled all the way around there.
Yes, we have.
Have we?
Yeah, a long time ago.
God, don't remember that. I thought we tried to and gave up.
No, we did do it.
All right.
It was an hour and a half on the electric bike. It was probably about 9 hours on a push bike.
Yeah, we didn't. I didn't do 9 hours.
I'm joking.
Definitely didn't.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, why not? Please subscribe.
Why not what? Oh, subscribe.
Yeah. It'd be
Yeah.
nice, wouldn't it?
It would be nice, yeah.
Yeah. Since we seem to be stuck on 33,000 something.
Yeah, and we've got 61% people watching who aren't subscribed.
Yeah. Which is why is that then?
So do you know where you're going here?
I'm
You
going
should be
straight
going
on,
left. You should be
Should
going
I?
left.
Oh yeah, I'm going left. You know why I did that? That's habit.
Yeah, because we always used to be going
Always
the
used to go down that way.
Yeah,
Yeah, going north, not south.
I know. So often we come this way and we're going to the tunnel or something, haven't we?
Yeah,
Stopped
yeah,
here.
that's possibly why.
Yeah, so you're thinking way back when we used to always go that way.
Yeah. No, it's a
Right.
great stop off Grafham Water if you are on the way to the tunnel. A bit of a wave from the tunnel though, isn't it? It was when
Yes.
we came back in 2018.
Yeah, so we've stopped on the way to the tunnel.
Yeah.
So it doesn't seem so bad. We've gone A14, M11.
Yeah. Oh, God,
God.
nearly ran a squirrel over. Just looked like it was going into the hedge and it changed its mind. It
mind.
thought, no, I think I'll commit suicide.
It's safe, perfectly safe.
Yeah. Right. So we'll catch you later.
Yeah,
All right,
okay
see you
then.
soon.
Bye then.
then.